Hey beautiful people, in today's video I'll be showing you how I mold and style my hair. So if you want to know how I achieve this look, stay tuned. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Let's go. So I start off with freshly washed hair, and for my mold I part my hair into my desired style, which is the side part today. So I part my hair on the side and then comb down the hair, adding mousse as I go along. For this side of my hair, I'm just going to add a slight wave to the front, ensuring that I comb through my hair after each wave to ensure my hair lays flat. So for this side of my hair, I'll be adding a little finger wave. To do that, I just combed my hair as if I was combing the letter C into it. So I'm no expert, so once I'm happy with my C, I then get a second comb to hold my hair into place and just repeat the C motion down below. So as you can see, I was very impressed because I am no expert. Because my hair is a little bit long for this hairstyle, after completing my C motion, I pushed my hair behind my ear because I didn't want too much hair down on my sideburns. So I then went and applied my wrapping strips that are perfect for wrapping my hair, laying down my edges and keeping my mold in place. This was followed by my mesh head wrap, followed by my silk headscarf. I then just wait for my hair to air dry naturally. Now that my hair is dry, I applied 2 pumps of my Oils heat protectant all over my hair, then comb through the hair to break the mold a little. I use a rat tail comb to section my hair and then go in with my Ellie straighteners and bump and curl all the way up. When I'm sectioning the hair, what I aim to do is the back of my hair first, then to go onto the sides and then travel up to my crown. The higher I go up in my hair, the longer it is, so I've now changed up my straighteners. I'm using the Remington ones to bump and curl. Now that I'm at the top, the technique changes. I pull and curl the hair, and whilst my hair is still hot, I use my fingers to make the curl sit flat on its side. And again, so I'm pulling the hair, I'm curling it in and rolling my straighteners. And now I'm just going to roll it with my fingers and hold it down to create that curl. Where I have short and wispy hair, I just bump and curl the hair down. So by this point, some of the curls had dropped a little bit, which was my desired look. If you want your curls to be tight and stay tight, use some hairspray to hold the curls in place. So some of my curls are kind of moving out of place, so I use a sectioning clip to go through 2 of the curls just to secure it down. whilst I've done the rest of my hair. There is no right or wrong direction that your curl should go in. I just wanted mine to fall on my head and flip the other way. Hence why I done it that way. So I just played around with the curls a little bit and pushed them in the direction that I wanted them to go in. I then went in and sprayed my hair with olive oil hair Sheen to give it a nice shimmer. So after fixing my curls in place, I just went ahead and put my mesh head wrap back on and my headscarf just to flatten it a little bit. The headscarf was left on for about 10-15 minutes just to help flatten that out. So now I've just gone back in just to perfect the curl. To add to the finish, the short wispy hairs are brushed down. So voila, just like that, you now have a DIY pin curl finger wave kind of hairstyle. All products used will be listed down below. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe and comment. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. And stay tuned for my next couple of videos. Thank you.